So let us take a look at the second and the last question we are going to be looking at on the ideal gas equation. We have that a gas occupies 0.025 meter cube at 300 Kelvin. If the gas contains 4.5 moles, calculate the pressure of the gas in Pascal. Take R equal to 8.314 joule per mole. So if we are to look at the question now, we have to collect our data. So we're given the volume which is V to be 0.025 meter cube. We're given the temperature. Which is T to be 300 Kelvin. We're given also the number of moles, which is N is equals to 4.5. And then we're asked, we're also given the gas constant, which is R to be 8.314 joule per mole. And then we are now asked to find the pressure. So we have to use our relationship. We have that PV is equals to nRT. So if we make P the subject formula, we should have nRT all over V. So by the time we substitute values into the formula now, we should be able to have that our P is equal to, we are going to have 8.314 times the number of mole, which is 4.5, times our temperature, which is what? 300, to be divided by our volume, which is 0.025. So by the time you multiply the numerator, you should have 11,223.9. So by the time you divide it by 0.025, we should have that our P is equals to 448,956 Pascal. So if you are to put it in standard form, we should have that our pressure is equal to, so if you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should be able to have 4.5 approximately times 10 raised to the power of 5 Pascal. So this is our answer. And this will now bring us to the end of the topic and the video on gas laws. So in our next video, we shall be discussing another topic in physics. And as I said earlier, if you have any question, please you can drop the question on the comment section so that it will be attended to. Or if you want to give us a screenshot of the question, you can send it to our WhatsApp number, which is 09030196246. I repeat, 09030196246. See you in the next video.